Questioning is one of the most important things that a teacher does. And we ask hundreds and hundreds of questions every day. They're one of the main ways through which we interact with our learners. But how do we make sure we're asking good questions? And how can we improve the quality of our questions? Well, one answer is to get hold of my book, How to Use Questioning in the Classroom, the Complete Guide. Now, in this book, I'm presenting you with over 35 strategies, techniques and activities you can use to really increase the quality of your questioning, or to give you different ways in which to develop questioning with your learners. So we've got things in here which are about the learners themselves, such as how to elicit better responses, how to open up discussion. And we've also got specific questioning activities. So different tools you can plug into your lesson planning to just change some of the dynamics that develop in the classroom when you are asking questions. In addition to that, we've got hundreds and hundreds of exemplar questions in the second half of the book. So these are questions which you can take and either use as they are or adapt and modify for use with your classes. So what I've really tried to do with this book is provide you with a synthesis of great questioning techniques and great exemplar questions, giving you loads and loads of material that you can use in the classroom without having to do lots of extra preparation or planning. Now let me give you one example of a technique included in here that you might like to use with your learners. This one's called, If This Is the Answer, What Might the Question Be? And here we invert the question answering game. So instead of posing a question to our learners, we give them the answer and then we say, you tell me what the question might be. So for example, we might say something like Washington, DC. If that's the answer, what might the question be? And of course, we can change how learners interact with it by saying things like, I want you to come up with a question as quickly as possible. Or I want you to come up with 3 or 4 possible questions, all of which could have Washington, DC as the answer. So there's lots of fun we can have with the activity, and it really challenges learners to think critically about the structure of questions and also about the particular topic that you're asking them to come up with a question for. Overall then, what we've got here is an incredibly practical guide packed full of tools, strategies and questions that you can easily apply in your teaching and make a part of your planning.